Hi, my name is Pam Barks, and I live in Columbus, Ohio with my husband Bill. We have 4 sons and 10 grandchildren. I will be teaching the Computing Skills course, which is the INFT 124. This course is a requirement if you are a first-time student attending Bryant and Stratton. The purpose for the course is to teach you basic skills, which is about the software, the hardware, the internal communication, and of course the internet. All of these skills will assist you in completing your courses here at Bryant and Stratton. I'm looking forward to chatting with each and every one of you. I'm here to help you achieve your goals. I'm super excited for the term to start. I would like everyone to have a wonderful, happy, and safe holiday, and I will see you online soon. Thank you. Bye.